Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some problems from vector algebra. Exercise 10.4, sixth question. Given that A dot B is equal to 0 and A cross B is equal to 0, what can be concluded about the vectors vector A and vector B? Okay, A dot B is equal to 0. A dot B is equal to 0 means vector A dot B is equal to 0 means either vector A is equal to 0 or vector B is equal to 0 or vector A and B are perpendicular to each other. Am I correct? Okay. Vector A dot B is equal to 0 means either A is equal to 0 or vector B is equal to 0 or vector A and vector B are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Then next A cross B is equal to 0. Vector A cross B that is equal to 0 means either vector A is equal to 0 or vector B is equal to 0 or vector A and B are parallel to each other or vector A parallel to vector B. Okay, in these two cases we can say that either vector A is equal to 0, either vector A is equal to 0, vector A is equal to 0 or vector B is equal to 0. But A is perpendicular to B and A is parallel to B. These two conditions never hold simultaneously because here A is perpendicular to B and there A is parallel to B. A vector is perpendicular to another vector or a vector is parallel to another vector is simultaneously never hold. Understood? So our answer is either vector A is equal to 0 or vector B is equal to 0. Okay? Understood? Then we can see next problem. Seventh question. Let the vectors vector A, vector B, vector C be given as A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap, B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap, C1 I cap plus C2 J cap plus C3 K cap. Then show that vector A cross B plus C is equal to A cross B plus A cross C. Okay. Okay, let us see. Vector A is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap. Then vector B is equal to B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap. Vector C is equal to C1 I cap plus C2 J cap plus C3 K cap. Okay, then vector A cross B plus C. For first we should find B plus C. Vector B plus C. Vector B plus vector C that is equal to vector B plus C means that is B1 plus C1 I cap plus B2 plus C2 B2 plus C2 J cap plus B3 plus C3 B3 plus C3 K cap. Okay, then we should find vector A cross vector B plus C. How we can find vector A cross B plus C? By using determinant, correct. That is equal to, first we should keep here I, J, K, then A. What is the coefficient of A, vector A? That is A1, A2, A3. Then B plus C, coefficient of B plus C, that is B1 plus C1. Then next B2 plus C2. Then next B3 plus C3. B3 plus C3. Understood? Then we should cross it. How we can find the determinant here? I into, that you already know, we remove this column and this row, then we will get A2, A3, B1 plus C2, B3 plus C3. So we can write here I into A2 into B3 plus C3, then minus A2 into B3 plus C3 minus A3 into B2 plus C2 minus A3 into B2 plus C2. Okay, then this is plus and minus here plus. So then minus J cap into, minus J cap means we can remove this column and this row, then we will get A1, A3, B1 plus C1, B3 plus C3. So we should write here A1 into correct, B3 plus C3, B3 plus C3, then minus next A3 into B1 plus C1 minus A3 into B1 plus C1. Okay, then plus next K into how we can write? Remove this row and this column, then we will get A1, A2, B1 plus C1, B2 plus C2. So we should cross like this, A1 into B2 plus C2, A1 into B2 plus C2 minus A2 into B1 plus C1. Okay, then we can open the bracket. We will get I cap into A2 B3 plus A2C3 minus A3B2 minus A3C2. Okay, then minus J into A1B3 plus A1C3 minus A3B1 minus A3C1 plus K cap into A1B2 plus A1C2 minus A2B1 minus A2C1. Okay. Then first we should find vector B plus C. After that A cross B plus C by using the determinant. Then open the bracket. The next is equal to I cap into, we can write together A2B3 minus A3B2. A2B3 minus A3B2. Okay, then plus A2C3 minus A3C2 minus J cap into A1B3, A1B3, the next, correct, A3B1, A3B1 together. Then next A1B3 minus A3B1, then we should write here plus A1C3 minus A3C1. Okay, then plus K cap into here A1B2 minus A2B1, correct, minus A1B2 minus A2B1. The next, correct, A1C2 minus A2Z1. Okay, then our LHS completed. Vector A cross B plus C is equal to, we got this answer. Then we should find the RHS side, that is A cross B plus A cross Z. First we should find, then we should take the RHS side, that is RHS is equal to A cross B plus A cross C. Okay, then first we should find A cross B, that is equal to IJK A. A means we know that is A1, A2, A3. Then B means that is B1, B2, B3. Okay, that is equal to into A2B3 minus B2, A2B3 minus A3B2, A2B3 minus A3B2. Understood? That you already studied. This you should remove this column and this row. We will get A2B3 minus B2 A3. Then minus J cap into, we should remove this column and this row. We will get A1B3, A1B3, A1B3 minus A3B1. Then plus K cap into, then we should remove this column and this row. We will get A1B2, A1B2 minus A2B1, A2B1. Okay, then we should find A cross C. Then next A cross C, that is equal to determinant IJK, A means that is A1, A2, A3. Then C means that is C1, C2, C3. Okay, then we should find I cap into, okay, correct, that is A2C3. We should remove this column and this row. Then we will get A2C3 minus A3C2 minus J cap into, okay, perfect, that is we should remove this column and this row. Then we will get A1C3 minus A3Z1. Okay, then plus K cap into, okay, correct, A K cap into A1C2 minus A2Z1. Okay, then we should add A cross B plus A cross C. A cross B plus A cross C that is equal to A cross B, this is A cross B. So I cap into A2B3 minus A3B2 plus this is also I cap here, that is A2C3 minus A3C2. Okay, then minus J cap into, here minus J cap means that is A1B3 minus A3B1, A1B3 minus A3B1, A1B3 minus A3B1 plus here also J cap means that is A1C3 minus A3C1 okay, plus K cap into K cap here A1B2 minus A2B1, then plus here K cap means that is A1C2 minus A2C1. Okay, then we should compare the LHS and RHS. In the LHS side, that is I cap into A2B3 minus A3B2 plus A2C3 minus A3C2 minus J cap into A1B3 minus A3B1 plus A1C3 minus A3C1 plus K cap into A1B2 minus A2B1 plus A1C2 minus A2C1. Then LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say that A cross B plus C is equal to A cross B plus A cross C. Understood? First we should arrange this in the LHS side like this, means we will get answer immediately. Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining problems we will study in the next class. Until then, bye bye.